If GOG is giving you errors like E1, E3, checksum problems, or the client is refusing to update or load, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. These issues are usually caused by corrupted files, blocked connections, or a stuck GOG Galaxy process. And the good news is that they can often be fixed in just a few minutes. If this guide helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's fix the most common problem, corrupted files or installation failures, especially if you're seeing E1 or checksum errors. Open GOG Galaxy and find the game that's giving you trouble. Click on the game, then click the slider or more button next to the play option. From the menu, choose Manage Installation and then select Verify or Repair. This tells GOG Galaxy to check your game files against the original version and automatically repair anything that's missing, damaged, or incorrectly installed. Let the process finish completely, even if it takes a little while, because this step often fixes launch errors right away. If you're seeing connection-related errors like E3, the next thing to check is your firewall or antivirus. Sometimes security software blocks GOG Galaxy from connecting properly, which can stop the client from loading content, syncing, or authenticating your account. To fix that, open your antivirus settings and add both galaxyclient.exe and galaxyclientservice.exe to the trusted or exception list. These are the key GOG files that need permission to communicate normally. If your antivirus has a quarantine or protected apps section, check there too and make sure GOG Galaxy hasn't been restricted. After adding the exceptions, restart your computer and try launching GOG again. Now, if the GOG Galaxy client itself fails to update or won't load at all, the issue may simply be a stuck background process. This happens more often than people think. To fix it, open Task Manager. You can do this by right-clicking the taskbar and choosing Task Manager, or by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard. Once Task Manager opens, go to the Details tab. Look for every process that starts with GOG Galaxy and end each one. Make sure you close all related processes, not just the main window, because a hidden background task can prevent the client from restarting correctly. After that, reopen GOG Galaxy and check whether it loads normally. If the problem still continues after these steps, run through them again in order, verify the game files, check antivirus and firewall exceptions, and then close any stuck GOG Galaxy processes before launching the client again. In many cases, one of these three fixes resolves the issue completely. I hope this video helped you fix your GOG error quickly and safely. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want more quick fixes for gaming and software problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.